Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to fix your Snapchat is temporarily disabled, then how you can fix that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to close the app, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the app, and here you have first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop the app, and after that you have to click on storage, and here you have to simply clear the cache, and you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can go for the next trick, which is as you have to simply check your data connection, and you have to check whether it is working properly or not. And if it is working properly and the error is still there, then you have to close the all apps, and here you have what you have to do, you have to open a new browser here, and in browser you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport. In Snapchat Sport you have to click on the first link you are provided with, and here you have to simply click on my account is compromised, because if you search for that error then you will not find any solution in the search bar. So you have to simply select I can't access my account, and after that you have to simply tell that if you forgot password and you are using a wrong password and this error has occurred, I will recommend you to click on I forgot password, and after that a new kind of form will be open, and they will tell you how you can reset your password. And if you do not have access to your email or mobile number, then you can click on still need help. So here they will tell you about a form that you have to fill, which is as you have to simply provide here username, and here you have to provide the email which is connected to your Snapchat, and here you have to provide them mobile number which is connected to your Snapchat, and here you have to provide the description of the problem you are facing. Hello Snapchat team, I have logged into my Snapchat and it is showing me due to repeat failed attempts your access to Snapchat account is temporarily disabled. So help me in this regard to solve this error. I shall be very thankful to you. So after that you have to simply fill the captcha, and after filling the captcha you can simply click on submit, and your report will be submitted to Snapchat support team, and within few days Snapchat team will connect to you and solve the problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.